I'm just getting ready to head back to Addison Airport after the day's flight. First order of business is to listen to ATIS weather and information for the airport.
Personnel equipment each tech level. 33 ILS. Loads out for maintenance. Advisors contact. Give information. Lima. As tower information Lima, the 1647 Zulu weather. Wind 1708, visibility 10. Sky clear, temperature 0, niner, dew point 00, altimeter 3028. Alpha Bravo is expected. Visual approach, runway 15 in use. All the FO. Ground control 112.6 started taxi. All Alpha approach departures are tell your IFR. Note them. Each taxi Alpha South 1,100 feet. Runway 33 ILS. And 33 glide slows out for maintenance. Advisor.
Roger. Southwest 2524, fly heading 150. Cruiser 5420 Charlie, ready to contact 5 to the west-northwest of the Rockwall Airport. Altitude check 2,400, maintain VFR 2500, left traffic 15.
Maintain 2,500 VFR, left traffic for 15, Southwest 20 Charlie.
74 Victor Foxtrot, regional departure, your radar contact, got traffic off your right side, a mile, 2,500, Cessna 172.
Autopilot. Autopilot mode.
74 Victor Foxtrot, that's all I said, and climb now, maintain 7,000, expedite through 3.
Autopilot
Regional
mode.
approach, Skyhawk 1 under Mike Victor.
74 Victor Foxtrot, you're ready to contact, climb and maintain 7,000, expedite through 3. Who else did I miss?
19 Mike Victor.
Autopilot mode.
19 Mike Victor, regional approach, squawk 4656.
4656, 1 Mike Victor.
932 Golf, enter a 4 mile straight in, Addison Tower 1260.
The autopilot enunciations signify executions and completions of tasks.
Victor Foxtrot, contact departure 118.55. Southwest 4524, reduce speed to 190, contact approach on 123.9er.
Number 3739 Quebec, regional departure, ready to contact. Number 2 Sierra Charlie, enter left downwind, contact Addison Tower 126.0, take care.
Enter left downwind, contact 126.0, 542 Sierra Charlie, good day.
Number 19 Mike Victor, sir, contact 25 northeast of Addison, maintain 2,500, declared in a Bravo. 2,500, declared for Bravo, 19 Mike Victor. Exit.
Next up is to contact Regional Approach Air Traffic Control. I'll include some of the approach and airport traffic control conversations.
Exit 715, regional departure, ready to contact, climb and maintain 7,000.
Keep an eye out for a helicopter landing to my left just as I touch down on the runway.
November 39 Quebec, cleared in a Bravo, climb and maintain 3,500. Exit 715, turn left direct Zerlu, climb and maintain 10,000.
Regional approach for cruiser 729 Whiskey Tango.
Number 729 Whiskey Tango, regional approach, go ahead.
20 miles to the north of Addison, inbound at 2,500 with Lima.
Sport Cruiser 9 Whiskey Tango, squawk 4675.
4675 for 9 Whiskey Tango.
Number 39 Quebec, turn right on course. Number 350 Tango Zulu, regional departure, better contact, climbing in 2,500, you're cleared into Bravo. Number 39 Quebec, climbing in 5,500. Jet 715, climbing in 17,000. Number 9 Whiskey Tango, you're ready to contact 18 north of Addison, maintain VFR, you're cleared into Bravo.
Maintain VFR, cleared to Bravo, 9 Whiskey Tango.
Number 75 Romeo, the center knows you're looking for 55 once you get crossed with the Duchess there. Contact forward center now, 132.02, take care.
Slope out for maintenance. Advise contact.
Jet 578, turn left, heading 280, advise Addison in sight.
Addison Airport information, Mike 1747 Zulu with observation.
Jet 578, left to at least the 280, you're cleared, visual approach, runway 15.
0, sky clear, temperature 10, dew point 0, altimeter 30.
9 Whiskey Tango, traffic 11 o'clock, 4 miles, turning westbound at 2000, a citation, you're following them.
Looking for traffic, 9 Whiskey Tango.
Jet 578, traffic 3 to your north, southbound to Sport Cruiser 25, he's following you, contact tower 126.0, take care.
You are IFR, nose to airman.
November 60 Sierra, fly heading 250, vector to final.
Runway 33, LSD, unusable. Runway 15,
Number 5 Delta Hotel, fly heading 260.
For maintenance. Advise contact, you have Mike.
F98 Alpha Romeo, regional approach, send to maintain 6,000, expect visual approach at 15. Number 9 Whiskey Tango, the citation is turning final, you're 12 o'clock, 2.5 miles out of 2,000, and he's got plenty of speed on you. Straight in runway 15, contact Addison Tower 126.0, take care.
Traffic in sight, over to tower 9 Whiskey Tango, good day.
November 19 Golf, turn left heading 240. November 19 Golf, turn left heading 240.
Addison Tower, Sport Cruiser 729 Whiskey Tango at 2,500.
Sport Cruiser 729 Whiskey Tango, Addison Tower, decent approved. If able, keep your speed up. You're going to be number 2 to the field, following a citation on a 2-mile final, crossing way turbulence.
2 for the field, following the citation, 9 Whiskey Tango. And descent approved.
Autopilot, disconnect.
Addison Tower, trust 13.
Leaving altitude.
15 is Alpha, ready for eastbound departure of VFR.
Thrust 13, Addison Tower, Romeo 15, line up and wait, traffic Sport Cruiser, 4-mile final.
Line up and wait, trust 13.
Addison Tower, helicopter 617 Golf Charlie, about 5 to the southeast for Millionaire.
Helicopter 617 Golf Charlie, Addison Tower, continue direct Millionaire, descent approved, and did you want to go direct to the ramp, Alpha, or the runway?
Direct ramp.
7 Golf Charlie, roger. Says at 578, left at Foxtrot, taxi to Millionaire via Alpha, monitor ground.
Left at Foxtrot, taxi to Alpha via Millionaire, or to Millionaire via Alpha, exit 578.
He's just turning off the runway.
Thrust 13, fly runway heading for now. I'll call your eastbound turn, runway 15, clear for takeoff.
Thrust 13, clear for takeoff. I will fly runway heading.
Thank you. Sport Cruiser 9 Whiskey Tango, runway 15, clear to land, wind 170 at 10, gust 13.
15 cleared to land, 9 Whiskey Tango.
And Tower, November 45 Juliet, holding in sequence, runway 15, ready to go.
Gulfstream 45 Juliet Echo, Addison Tower, waiting God for release.
Addison Tower, this is Archer 419 Golf with you at 2,500.
Archer 419 Golf, Addison Tower, decent approved, continue runway 15, traffic holding in position.
Decent approved, runway 15, 419 Golf.
Tower, Martex 777, ready for departure.
Martex 777, Addison Tower, roger, number 2. Spokers in 9 Whiskey Tango, you will see traffic east of the field helicopter. They're going to be landing at the Millionaire ramp. They'll be east of the runway.
Traffic in sight, 9 Whiskey Tango.
Says at 578, Tower, you still up?
Traffic.
Yes, sir.
578, just hold your position. Right there, I got a helicopter going into the Millionaire ramp.
Okay, we'll hold position and exit 578.
Helicopter 7 Golf Charlie landing at the Millionaire ramp will be at your own risk. Wind 160 at 12, gust 13. Remain east of the runway at all times.
Copter 7 Golf Charlie will go. Sir, they usually have us parking a little further south than where that jet is right now that you held up.
Copy that. That's the ATP ramp. You clear or landing at the ATP ramp will be at your own risk. I'll get the jet moving.
Yes, sir.
Jet at 578, continue to Millionaire.
Jet 578, continue.
Tower Skyhawk 19, Mike Victor, on final for 15 following Cherokee.
Got 19 Mike Victor, Addison Tower, roger, continue runway 15, decent approved.
Decent approved, 19 Mike Victor.
Tower, thrust 13, can we turn left for close to the Bravo?
Thrust 13, affirmative.
Turning left, thrust 13.
Archer 19 Golf, runway 15, clear to land.
Clear land, runway 15, 419 Golf.
Stay clear of that helicopter.
Skyhawk 19 Mike Victor, number 2, runway 15, clear to land.
Clear to land, number 2, 19 Mike Victor.
Spokers in 9 Whiskey Tango, left at Golf, taxi to Romeo via Alpha, monitor ground.
Left at Gulf, monitor ground, 9 Whiskey Tango. Okay, kids, there you have it. First time for a helicopter landing in front of me. Pretty cool. Hope you guys saw a little bit. If you didn't, tough shit. Ain't gonna go back and do it again. Time to get some lunch.
Thanks for watching.